Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now, unlock the iPhone and tap Settings, then Wallpaper. You do this because Wallpaper controls both lock and home screen images centrally. Once in Wallpaper, scan the current preview to identify which screen, lock or home, you want to remove. Tap the preview to reveal options. This is faster than hunting in Photos. Make sure you're on the correct device profiles if you use Focus or multiple users, because those settings can show different wallpapers. Now remove or replace. When you tap the preview, you'll see Remove and choose New Wallpaper. Remove deletes the custom image and reverts to a default look, which is useful if you want a clean start. Choose New Wallpaper if you prefer to swap rather than delete. Pick from Photos, People, or Apple's collections. Once done, confirm which screens update because lock screen and home screen are independent. Make sure to repeat the remove step if both screens use the same image. Finish by tapping Done, then lock and wake the phone to verify the removal. This confirms both visual and system state. If the old wallpaper still appears, restart the iPhone because a quick reboot clears cache and refreshes system settings. Make sure iCloud Photos or syncing apps aren't reapplying the image. If they are, temporarily disable sync and remove again. If problems continue, update iOS to the latest version. Sometimes
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.